How to make your images clickable on Shopify. So when online shoppers land on your homepage, their immediate instinct is to tap on your promotional graphics, lifestyle banners, and collection collages. If a user clicks an image and nothing happens, it creates an immediate point of frustration. That elements cause rage clicks and kill your conversion momentum. Today, we are opening up Shopify's Visual Layout Builder and deploying lightweight HTML wrappers to make every single image asset on your store fully interactive. So let's look at utilizing your theme's native architecture to map destination URLs directly to your default sections. So from your dashboard, go to Online Store, then choose the theme that you're working with actively, in my case it's Horizon, and click Edit Theme next to it. And inside the visual design space, click directly on the image banner, slideshow slide, or multi-column block you want to wire up. And look at the right-hand Properties Inspector panel and find the input field labeled Link or Image Link. So for example, I have here, you can select the image from here or choose from here, from the meta objects. And then don't forget to hit Save from the top right corner. Alright guys, and now if you're dealing with a rigid section that forces you to use an ugly accent button instead of making the image itself clickable, we can forcefully override that boundary using a raw code. So you can just scroll down the left-hand section right here and click Add Section or Add a Block. So I'll just click here. In here, guys, choose Custom Liquid. You can just use the search, type in Custom, click on this section, and then open the code editor right here and input this code. And then press on Save. We will leave this code snippet down below in the video description. And now guys, as you can see, right above my text, right here, browse our latest products, I have this little button. As you can see, it's clickable, it's changing. But because I don't have the image inserted, as it's just a test, test snippet, the image is actually not seen. So instead of this, you need to just provide which image you want to insert into there. As you can see, we have in here promo banner file JPEG. So because in my case it's missing, but you can replace it. It's not seen, but it's easily fixable. That is it, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to drop a subscription as well and press like on the video. See you in the next one.